In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Instagram if you do not have the notes feature. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your profile as I am right now. Click on the three lines in the top right corner and then click on Settings. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to find something that says Help. Then click on Report a Problem, and then you're going to explain what is wrong. I'm going to write something like, I am missing the notes feature on my account, and you're going to be sure to do @ and then write your username. So I'm just going to do this for tutorial purposes. And then you're going to say, please fix this as it is super important. You're going to send this to Instagram and they should get back to you within 3 to 5 days, and they will give you an option on how to fix this. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.